Hi everyone, it's Nanny and it's shrimp oregano day. I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in the pan. I chopped up 5 to 6, I got 6 here, garlic cloves right here. Let's lower this a little bit. I'm going to put a good amount of parsley. Pops around, pop, pop, pop. A dash, just a dash of hot pepper. My granddaughter's having some of this and I don't want her to get all hot peppered up. And this is some oregano, fresh oregano that I froze from my garden last year. Okay, so we have this going, and I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup of breadcrumbs and 1/2 cup of Pecorino Romano, and I'm shutting this gas off. Okay, so you could mix this in a bowl and put it on top, but I think the flavors come out more when you saute it. Anyway, I have 1.5 pounds of large shrimp here, which I patted dry. Make sure that they're good and dry. What I'm going to do is sprinkle this around all the shrimp. Here, I'm going to take a spoon because I can't pick it up with my fingers, it'll burn. Here we go. That's going to come out really delicious. This is a very simple meal, and what you could do is, if you want to, you don't have to, you could make some spaghetti or linguine. Okay. This is some salt. I got kosher salt, about a teaspoon. I have the juice of 1 large lemon. Here's 1/4 cup of white wine. And 1/4 cup of chicken broth. And on top of that, I'm gonna put some butter. Have the oven preheated at 425. And we're going to put it in for about 10 minutes. Then we're going to put it on broil and watch it closely to get a little bit of a crunch. Okay. Whoop. Try to spread it out evenly. And there you go. This goes into the oven, and as I said, 10 minutes at 425, and then turn the oven on broil and watch it for 2-3 minutes until it gets like crunchy. Shrimp cook very, very quickly. See you on when I take it out of the oven. Okay, so the shrimp has cooked for 10 minutes at 425. And then for 2 minutes, I put it on the broiler. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Here we go. Just gonna touch it. Wow. Delicious. I hope you try it. Until next time, bon appetit.